Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the second type of variable winds are periodical winds, in which there are two types: land and sea bridges, mountain and valley bridges. Let's first see land and sea bridges. Look at this figure. First is sea bridges and second is land bridge. What happened during daytime? The land is heated more due to maximum insolation, and sea heated less than land due to minimum insolation. And after that, what happened? High temperature and low pressure is created on land, and low temperature and high pressure created on sea due to minimum insolation. And after that, as usual, winds start blowing from high pressure to low pressure, or you can say from sea to land. This is called sea bridge. In sea bridges, the winds start blowing from sea to land. First is sea bridges. Here, when insolation comes from sun, land heated more, and the winds on the land becomes, after becoming warm, ascend upper. Here is warm air and it ascend upper, and after ascending it descend on sea, and after descending on sea it becomes cold, and high pressure is created on sea, and winds start moving from sea to land. It is called sea bridges. And during night time, land becomes cool rapidly, and sea becomes cool slowly. Then what happen? Low temperature and high pressure is created on land due to rapid cooling, and high temperature and low pressure created on sea due to cooling slowly, and after that what happen? As usual, winds start blowing from high pressure to low pressure, or land to sea. This is called land bridge. Land bridges occurs during night time, and sea bridges occur during daytime. It is about land and sea bridges. Let's first mountain and valley bridges. Let's see mountain and valley bridges. Mountain and valley bridges. Before knowing about mountain and valley bridges, let's see this figure. This is mountain, and here is valley, and here is mountain, and here is valley, and here is mountain. Then what happened? This is mountain with coniferous forest or mountainous forest, not contains snow or ice. During daytime what happened? The mountain heated more due to maximum insolation, and valley heated less due to minimum insolation. And high temperature and low pressure created on mountain and low temperature and high pressure created on valley. Then what happen? As usual, winds start blowing from high pressure to low pressure, from valley to mountain. Winds start blowing from valley to mountain. It is called valley breeze. And during night time the mountain cooled rapidly due to maximum insolation. Here mountain cooled rapidly due to clear sky. Mountain cooled rapidly in clear sky, and valley cooled slowly and high temperature and low pressure created on valley and low temperature and high pressure occurred on mountain. Then what happened? Winds start blowing from mountain to valley. It is called mountain breeze. Look in this figure clearly. Here is mountain, and here this is mountain, and here is valley. This is valley. Valley breeze blows from valley to mountain. This is called valley breeze. And here mountain breeze blows from mountains to valley. Mountain breeze blows from mountain to valley. The red arrow denote mountain breeze. And this blue arrow denote valley breeze. Valley breeze. It is about periodical winds, or you can say the second type